Alright everybody, welcome back. It's Big Al again. I've got a kick cylinder and the kick adapter once again as usual. This one here, I got this from, I believe, from Spools Errand. Hopefully I got that right. It is called a Spools Errand by West Coast Picks. The key is still wrapped, so I really don't want to peek at it until it's open, so that's that. I have not tried this one yet, by the way, not at all. Haven't stabbed it once yet, so this is all new territory. Oh, you know what? I wanted to say something too real quick. I was making challenge locks again today, as usual, on the weekend. I'm a cheapo. I buy a lot of stuff, you know, eBay and wherever I can find it cheap. And these burrs, you see this right here? And this is not a commercial break. I'm not associated with this company in any way, shape, or form, except for I'm a customer, and I'm going to continue to be, because I've been through, I don't know how many burrs, cheap ones, and they just, you know, they turn into little balls after a while that just don't cut nothing. These things, I bought a couple from them, and this is still the first one. I cannot dull it. It won't freaking dull. I mean, this thing still, look at that on my fingernail. I don't know if it's picking it up, but it won't dull. You want to get some good Dremel tools and whatnot to make challenge locks? That's where to go, buddy. So, you know what? Like I said, I'm not associated with them, but I do like to give credit where credit's due. So, that's that. Let's see if we can't get into this. This looks like it's, yeah, I think so. I think I can go right from the bottom on this bad boy, so that's what I'm going to try. Go clockwise. I think I come in a little bit. That's gooder. Okay, let's see what we got. Get a little feel for it. Feels like the binder's in the back already. Alright. Yep, feels like it. Well, I don't know, the pick is dragging a little bit, but I might have to use some heavier tension. Okay, I think 4. 5. Okay, got a click. Slight bit of a move. I wouldn't call that a false set, but it did turn a little bit. And I need a taller. I'm gonna have to get this other Sparrow's pick here slightly taller. Now I'm not feeling nothing. Well, 4, but it's not doing anything. 5, bouncy. Yeah, I don't know if I already overset something. I'm really not getting no feedback. And 4 is the only binder, but it's not really reacting to the pick. Let me try it. Nope, that was bad. That was bad. Alright, so that's 6th one, I think it is. I'm not feeling nothing. Literally, nothing. Okay, maybe that 6th one wasn't up far enough. Let's try that. Okay, 1. Alright, got a slight turn when I hit 1. 2, 3. Counter rotation on 3 now. I think. Let me try some others first before I commit completely. Okay. Might have to go, whoops, came back out and I think I touched 2 and it gave me a little bit more. 1, 2. Yeah, it's getting counter on 3. I might have to try it. Okay. One. Huh. This thing's acting pretty weird. Trying to get the pins to talk to me. Do got some counter right here again. I think it's feels like it's the same one I already tried. Alright, maybe it wasn't set all the way. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh. One maybe? Gosh, it's got to go that high. Let me try this other, this southward pick. Might go a little higher here. They're really not reacting to the pick at all. No feedback is what I mean, I guess. Yeah, I've lost the feedback. Oh, right there. Okay, I think that was 2. Yeah, this thing does not give good feedback. It's like just dead. Gonna need a taller hook, that's for sure. Bada boom, bada bang. Something deeper. Oh boy. What a gem. Trying to make the pins react to the pick, but they won't do it. Right there, a little bit. Huh. Okay. What is that, 4? I'm trying to find it again. We'll go ahead and try to set it. Right here. Right there. Okay, it might have dropped it. Felt like it set. Well, I say that. It's right here. Let me go ahead and try to get under it again. If I can find it. Wasn't this far up. Golly. Okay. I think it's right there. There it is. It was. I'll be damned. That's a booger right there, boy. Oh, golly. Had to go way back. Like setting the clock back before you go forward. Okay. Bada boom, bada bing. Beautiful. Set it about right there-ish. Looks good. Oh, tell you what. Alright. Now I guess we can rip that key off of there. Okay. That's what the bidding looks like. I'm going to really hope it works. It should. It's very much open. Fair enough. Here we go. Better work. Oh no. You kidding me? Oh, you gotta be kidding me right now. Is this some kind of joke? Oh my God. There it goes. Oh. Oh, the key's hitting the freaking clip. The clip's been put on backwards. Great. Oh man. Jesus. Okay. It works. Reassembly error. Okay. Golly. I'm glad that went in there because that core felt pretty damn tight, I'll tell you what. Alright, pin should be up this way. Shim. 6 pins all occupied, or 6 chambers all occupied. Let's check it out. Iron frame good? Yeah. Alright. Standard and 1, standard and 2, standard and 3, 4, 5, and 6. All standard key pins, it looks like. I don't know which way that goes. Oh, this way. Yep, standard key pins. The core, I see nada. Nothing done on the core. Alrighty, we'll go upstairs. Let's see. Front is marked, but I'm going to mark it some more. Okay, where we at? Bada boom, bada bing. That cat hair is not part of the lock, by the way. That's part of Mr. Kitty. Alright, wow, yeah. Nice deep, looks like homemade spool action right there. Little spring. Same thing in number 2. That's why I had to go way back. Reverse the tension a little bit. Yep. Oh my god, it's like a barbell. Nice. Nice. Alright, that was 3, so 4. Pretty much same idea. Another really deep, long spool. It was 4, so 5. Same thing. Well, pretty much. Deep, long spool action. A spool-like combobulation. And the last one, probably the same thing. Oops, where'd it go? There it is. Oh, it's got serration on each end. And the last spring right there. I'll tell you what, that was one heck of a fight, I'll tell you what. Let's see, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a nothing done in the Bible. Well played, sir. I like that. When there's not a whole lot of torture done to the lock and it's that well, that much of a challenge, I love it. Because, I mean, everybody can, you know, we can all torture the locks to death until they're real hard to open, but when they're made well, you don't have to torture the lock a whole lot. And this lock is good proof of that. So I'm glad. Let's put that right there like that. Okay, bada boom, bada bing. That was flipping awesome. Again, that was called Spools Errand by West Coast Picks. I highly appreciate it. What did I say? Chris Aaron sent it. Thank you, buddy, so much. And West Coast Picks, thank you so much for making this and getting it out into the community. I'm glad I got a chance to stab it. Okay, let's check out some pins. We'll go through these real quick. All the key pins, 6 of them are standard. Set pins or top pin, I call them set pins. Drivers, I guess they're actually called. Number 1, we'll call that a long spool. Same in number 2. Same in number 3, and it looks like it's got a little fat part in the middle. Again, same spool action in number 4. Same in number 5, a long spool. And then 6 is that like those, well, I can't ask, I guess you can't answer me. It looks like, I want to say ASA, but I'm not sure. It's got a kind of like a serration on each end of it. And I think they're like ASA pins, but I'm not sure. The springs do look like they're different. They vary in length anyways. Got some little shorties and some longer ones, unless those are just compressed like that, but they do vary a little bit. Okay, awesome. Check out those pins. Thank y'all so much for watching. Big Al signing off.